Welcome back to the Health Decode channel, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring one of the most intricate and fascinating mysteries of the human body, the profound and surprising connection between the digestive system, especially the gut, and the brain. This topic is not only a rapidly evolving field of scientific research, but also has significant implications for our physical and mental health, as well as our overall quality of life. Did you know that the second brain hidden within your abdomen is silently controlling your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in ways you might never have imagined? Let's uncover this secret together with Health Decode. To truly understand the power of the gut, we need to delve into the structure and function of the enteric nervous system ENS. More than just a network of nerves supporting digestion, the ENS is a complex and independent system, often referred to by scientists as the body's second brain. The ENS comprises approximately 500 million neurons, an impressive number when compared to the number of neurons in the spinal cord. This network extends from the esophagus through the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, organized into two main layers: the Meissner's plexus submucosal plexus and the Auerbach's plexus, myenteric plexus. These plexuses contain various types of neurons, including sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons, forming complex reflex circuits. One of the remarkable features of the ENS is its ability to function autonomously, without direct command from the central brain. The ENS can independently coordinate digestive activities, such as peristalsis, smooth muscle contractions that move food, secretion of digestive fluids, enzymes, acids, mucus, and regulation of blood flow to the digestive organs. This explains why the digestive system can still function, even when the nerves connecting it to the brain are severed in some animal experiments. The ENS not only contains neurons, but also has the capacity to produce many types of neurotransmitters similar to the brain, including serotonin. About 90% of the body's serotonin is produced in the gut, dopamine, acetylcholine, and GABA. This highlights the astonishing chemical similarity between the first brain and the second brain. Despite its ability to operate independently, the ENS is not isolated from the central brain. These two systems constantly exchange information through a complex network known as the gut-brain axis. This is a bidirectional communication system where the brain can influence gut function and vice versa. The main communication pathways include vagus nerve. This is the longest and most important cranial nerve, acting as a direct telephone line between the brain and most internal organs, including the heart, lungs, and the entire digestive system. Approximately 80 to 90% of the nerve fibers in the vagus nerve transmit signals from the gut to the brain, carrying information about the mechanical, chemical, and microbial status of the gut. Only about 10 to 20% of signals travel from the brain to the gut. This indicates that the flow of information from the gut to the brain is dominant, emphasizing the gut's crucial role in reporting its condition to the brain. Endocrine system hormones. The gut is a large endocrine organ, producing various peptide hormones, such as ghrelin, the hunger hormone, leptin, the satiety hormone, cholecystokin CCK, and peptide YYPYY, which play a role in regulating appetite and feelings of fullness. Once released into the bloodstream, these hormones can act on brain regions involved in appetite and mood control. Immune system. The gut harbors the majority of the body's immune system. Immune cells in the gut not only respond to pathogens, but also produce cytokines, immune signaling molecules that can affect the brain, causing symptoms like fatigue, malaise, and even influencing mood. Conversely, stress from the brain can also affect the immune system in the gut, increasing intestinal permeability and triggering inflammatory responses. Gut microbiota. This is a crucial factor in the gut-brain axis. Trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites reside in the gut, forming a complex ecosystem. They not only help digest food, but also produce numerous metabolites, including short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate, acetate, and propionate, vitamins, such as vitamin K, and some B vitamins, and neurotransmitters, or their precursors. These substances can directly or indirectly affect the brain through neural, endocrine, and immune pathways. For example, butyrate is an important energy source for gut cells and may also have neuroprotective effects. Some bacteria can produce GABA, an inhibitory neurotransmitter involved in reducing anxiety. Other direct neural pathways, in addition to the vagus nerve, other sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves connect the gut and brain, participating in the transmission of information about stress, relaxation, and other physiological states. Among all the elements of the gut-brain axis, the gut microbiota stands out as a silent conductor, capable of profoundly influencing our brain and behavior. Numerous studies have demonstrated the link between the composition and function of the gut microbiota and mental disorders such as anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD). An imbalance in the gut microbiota, dysbiosis, with an increase in pro-inflammatory bacteria and a decrease in beneficial bacteria, can lead to increased production of inflammatory cytokines, affecting the production and metabolism of important neurotransmitters in the brain, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. For example, some studies have shown that supplementing with probiotics beneficial bacteria can improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression in some individuals. The gut microbiota can also influence cognitive functions such as memory, learning ability, and concentration. Short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, produced by bacteria, especially butyrate, have been shown to have neuroprotective effects and may improve brain function. Gut microbiota imbalance has been linked to cognitive decline in older adults and neurodegenerative diseases. The gut microbiota can affect our food preferences and appetite through various mechanisms. They can produce metabolites that influence taste and smell receptors or act on neural and endocrine pathways related to appetite control in the brain. For example, certain types of bacteria may enhance cravings for sweet or fatty foods. The gut-brain axis plays a significant role in how our body responds to stress. Stress can alter the composition and function of the gut microbiota, and conversely, a disrupted gut microbiota can amplify the brain's stress response. Research is increasingly shedding light on the role of the gut microbiota in the development and progression of neurological diseases such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and autism spectrum disorder. Changes in the gut microbial composition contribute to neuroinflammation and the accumulation of abnormal proteins in the brain. The connection between the gut and the brain is bidirectional. If mental health can affect the digestive system, for example, stress causing GIBS, then conversely, gut problems can also manifest through symptoms not limited to the digestive system, but also impacting mood and mental well-being. Canvas. Functional gastrointestinal disorders, conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and functional dyspepsia, are often accompanied by psychological symptoms like anxiety and depression. Digestive symptoms: abdominal pain, bloating, changes in bowel habits can cause stress and anxiety, creating a vicious cycle. Chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the gut, such as in inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, can release inflammatory cytokines into the bloodstream, affecting the brain and causing symptoms like fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and mood changes. Increased intestinal permeability, leaky gut. When the protective barrier of the intestinal lining is compromised, toxins, bacteria, and large molecules can enter the bloodstream, activating the immune system and triggering systemic inflammatory responses, including in the brain. Leaky gut has been linked to various health conditions, including mental and neurological disorders, food reactions, and mood. Some individuals find that consuming certain foods can exacerbate symptoms of anxiety, restlessness, or difficulty concentrating. This may be related to allergic reactions, food intolerances, or the direct impact of food components on the gut-brain axis. Understanding the close relationship between the gut and the brain opens up new approaches to improving overall health. By taking good care of our digestive system, especially the gut microbiota, we can positively influence brain function and mental well-being. Eat a diverse and high-fiber diet. A balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, and nuts will provide a wide range of fuel for beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting microbial diversity. Increase prebiotic foods. Incorporate prebiotic-rich foods such as onions, garlic, asparagus, artichokes, green bananas, etc. to stimulate the growth of existing beneficial bacteria in the gut. Supplement with probiotic foods. Regularly consume naturally fermented foods such as unsweetened yogurt containing live cultures, kimchi, kombucha, kefir, sauerkraut, etc., which can help increase the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Consider using high-quality probiotic supplements as recommended by a healthcare professional. Limit processed foods, refined sugar, and unhealthy fats. These types of foods can disrupt the balance of the gut microbiota, promoting the growth of harmful bacteria and causing inflammation. Manage stress effectively. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, physical activity, or spending time on enjoyable relaxing activities. Chronic stress can have negative effects on both the gut and the brain. Ensure quality sleep. Getting enough sleep at regular times helps maintain the balance of the gut microbiota and optimal brain function. Drink enough water. Maintain adequate hydration to support digestive function and overall health. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise is not only good for cardiovascular health and physique, but can also improve gut health and mood. Consider antibiotic use carefully. Antibiotics can kill both beneficial and harmful bacteria in the gut, causing imbalance. Only use antibiotics when truly necessary and as prescribed by a doctor. Learn about food sensitivities and intolerances. If you suspect a specific food is causing digestive issues or affecting your mood, try eliminating it from your diet under the guidance of a healthcare professional to see if there is any improvement. Consult a gut health specialist. If you experience chronic digestive problems or have concerns about your mental well-being, don't hesitate to seek advice from a gastroenterologist or mental health professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Clearly, the connection between the gut and the brain is a remarkable testament to the complexity and interconnectedness of the human body. The second brain in our abdomen not only performs digestive functions, but also plays a crucial role in regulating mood, cognition, and behavior. By better understanding the gut-brain axis, and especially the power of the gut microbiota, we can make smarter choices about our diet and lifestyle to optimize both our physical and mental health. Remember, listening to and caring for your gut companion is key to unlocking a healthier and happier life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And to not miss out on other valuable health insights from Health Decode, hit the subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching.